Hey, Mike Foster here. Another episode of Mike Eats the Street. Today, hey, get a break from those burgers. Going to Wienerschnitzel. It's one of my wife's favorite places. Guess what? She just orders the plain one. We're gonna check out what they have going on though at Wienerschnitzel. Mike Eats the Street.
May I take your order?
Hi, can I just get, you got like a hot dog with mustard relish and onions?
Okay.
And do you have, do you got any of the Chicago dogs?
Yeah.
Let me get one of those, okay?
Okay.
That's all I want, thank you.
Okay, so one Chicago dog and one relish is gonna be $4.42.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, we got the, one's called a relish dog. I guess because it's got relish on it, but it's got, I'm looking for mustard, relish, oh, and onions. Oh, there you go. That is the baby right there. Schnitzel. All I want from my hot dog is to taste fresh ingredients, onions, mustard, relish, and make sure that dog, woof, woof, tastes fresh. Another big bite. I say that's pretty good. It's not terrible. It's not killer. Something's missing from it. Let me taste the dog right here. The hot dog's great. I'm gonna give that a 7 or so. Let's see if they redeem themselves with the Chicago dog. Oh my goodness, look what's in a Chicago dog. Check this out. It's got, and I always find Chicago dogs very interesting because they have tomatoes, which I never usually put ever on a hot dog, onions, mustard, relish, and then it has these hots, these peppers, and I think they top it off with just a little celery salt. The Chicago dog. Check this one out. Well, you can taste the heat from those peppers. That's all I can taste. Let's try another bite. If you get it all in there, the tomato is sweet and cooling. Combat that pepper. It's very salty with the mustard, the relish, the pickly flavor. In fact, there are pickles on there. There's a big pickle right there. That's what she said. I don't mean to say that, but it comes out. And you get the little heat from the pepper. That's, and the dog is good. This is pretty good. Oh, I'll give it a thumbs up. I give the schnitzel thumbs up. Now I can come back here now because I didn't try their fries. I didn't try some of the other things. They have some sausage stuff on there. I got to tell you, I've had their fries before. They're really good. So maybe that's for a future Mike Eats the Street. So, little break from the cheeseburgers. But remember, Mike Eats the Street, I'm going to try to find out every double cheeseburger out there and make a decision on who's got the best double cheeseburgers. Right now it's, I'd say, Wendy's. But there's other folks out there. There's all kind of different places that I'm going to try. And keep trying all kinds of things and checking out my videos at Live Life 365. Let me know whether Mike Eats the Streets. This dog is messy. And let me know with your beautiful comments. And keep living Life 365. Spread the word. Tell people about it. I think people like it. I know I do. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Man, you can't beat that 442. Wiener? My mouth's watering. I gotta do good for Wienerschnitzel. This is my wife's favorite fast food place. This is Mikey. The pepper's falling. On my pants. My wife just washed them. Oh boy, am I screwed. Spent extra money for dry cleaning because I just spilled everything on my pants. So these little peppers, they... Hey, Bobo. all over these pants. My wife just washed these literally yesterday. She says, I'm like a little boy, don't mess them up, Mikey. Seriously, I'm not letting you see it. I mean, it's worth seeing. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. I spilled mustard. I spilled the